Got a used truck cap. It's a mid-roof design. Fits the 2010 to 18 Ram 2500 3500 with the 8-foot bed. This is a mid-roof design. It's an MX series by ARE. Now the mid-roof gives you a little more roof clearance, a little more headroom inside for if you wanted to camp in it or just more storage. Paint on this one is very good shape. It does not have any paint damage on this side. Paint looks really good. This unit was traded in to us. Customer just didn't like having the extra height on the top. They wanted something that was more cab high, so we put them into a cab high unit. Really clean. The bottom edge is really nice on this. No damage on the bottom edge. You do have one little nick right here below the window. The bottom edge is clean, no damage. This has the wind doors in it, and the vented wind door at that. So the wind door is a window that opens up as a door. Opens up, allows you to access inside the bed of the truck. This one also what they call the vented wind door, which has a window that slides open for ventilation as well. And you open that up, you can access your stuff, and then you can latch it back shut and seal the weather out. It does have the skylight, although the skylight does not give any light because they do not open that hole up anymore because they used to leak. It does have a little bit of paint damage right here. Looks like it hits the back of the cab on the truck that it was on. But other than that, there's no real damage on this at all. Sliding window in the front. No damage other than that one spot there on the corner. The sliding window slides open to access the inside the cab cap. Has the wind door on this side as well. Same thing as the other side. You can just turn the T-handles and then open up to access inside the bed of the truck. It also on this one is the vented wind door, so this glass slides back so that you can ventilate the inside. The side, really good shape on the paint as well. There's no damage on the paint through here at all. So this one's a 99%, or this thing's almost 100% top. It's really good shape. No damage to the bottom here. Bottom edge is really good. No, it's not chipped up and gouged up like a lot of these get. The side looks really good. This one does have the roof tracks on here, so you can put like a kayak rack and crossbars for a boat rack or kayak rack or bike racks, stuff like that. So it is set up to accept that. It does have the single T-handle on the rear door. The inside of this is carpeted. So you can see the inside's got the dark charcoal gray carpet in it all the way around. And like I said, these inside doors here are wind doors, and they're vented, so they have the glass slides back so that you can open up and get ventilation. It also has what they call the pet screens. So these are a little heavier screens to keep your pets from jumping through them. It does have that on both sides. The pet screens on both of those. This is a slider. It is a tilt down slider. So you got a latch here and then a latch over here to open up. And this glass opens up, allows you to wash this front side here as well as the back of the cap on the truck. And you can clean them both. You can close that window back up, latch that down, and seal that back up. Like I said, this is where the skylight window is sitting on there. So they don't open those up anymore, just because they don't want to keep any leaking. Get any leaking inside here. Does have a little bit of dog hair in here because they had some dogs in here, but it's not too bad. Here's the stock number on that. It was built for 2014 Dodge regular cab long bed. It fits the 2010 to 2018 Ram with the 8-foot bed. It was 2500 and 3500. It's possible it would fit the 1500 as well, but it shows it to be a different mold, but I'm sure it would be really close. So there it is. It's an ARE MX series top for the Ram 2010 2018 Ram with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, which will tell you what location it's at, how much it is, more information about it, how to purchase it, and information like that. Also, as a generic link to our website, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, topper seal, shocks, stuff like that, locks, as far as, and also as storage, bed storage solutions, stuff like that, that's all at our website and can be purchased from there. So thanks for watching.